Hi, welcome back to another day with Living Lucky Off Grid. So today we're going to try to attempt to put like a little some 4x4 post up on either side of the drive, because I don't want people to come in randomly, because this is in the middle of nowhere, and there's a lot of hunters that come through this area to hunt deer and stuff, and so I don't need them trying to set up camp on my property. So we're going to chain off the very front. We're going to dig some holes, dig some post holes, and get some posts in the ground. We're going to loop a chain across that says private property. So join us today, my dudes. All right, so this is the idea that I thought. So we're going to make them 15. God, it looks like I've been grabbing soot. I just been shoveling rocks. But so we decided to, so we're going to put them and make them like 15 foot apart. 15 foot. I think that's ideal. But I'm going to do it temporary, because I'm not going to concrete them in the ground just yet, because I might end up moving them just to put a better style gate or on there. Maybe one day like make it automatic. I think that'd be kind of cool. But right now, I think the main thing is I want to prevent passerbyers or just people coming in here just all random and parking, because where I'm at, yeah, it's in the middle of nowhere, so there's a lot of hunters. It's about to be, deer season, so we got a lot of hunters that are starting to set up, and I've noticed it within the area. So we're gonna just try to prevent people from just randomly coming in, because I know they see a brand new gravel drive that goes all the way back into the woods, and they're like, oh shit, perfect spot to set up. So we're gonna prevent that, hopefully. We're gonna try anyways. I mean, it ain't gonna stop anybody, but we come out here once a week. I just hate that I'll come out here and I see like a whole camper set up and people are like, oh, what the hell? You know what I mean? So that's what we're gonna try to do, try to prevent some people from coming in here. So we're gonna set it up and we're gonna get some holes dug. So we're gonna try to dig this hole about 2 foot deep, so we can set those posts down. It probably don't help that the ground is super hard. To hell with you, ground.
There's a freaking root under there.
One thing I do despise about digging holes, guys, is I hate when the ground is super dry and compact. It's really hard to get anything in the ground or to dig.
Do perfectly cut screws and everything.
Ooh. All right, so now we got the hole dug. We got it, the first hole dug. We got it about 24 inches into the ground. And it goes right there. And we're gonna stick the pole in there. We're gonna level it off and we're gonna pack it down with dirt, because it is only temporary. I don't want to concrete it yet, because if I concrete it, then I won't be able to take it up and put something different, because I know my wife's gonna want something different. And I just need somebody, just these to keep up, to keep people from coming in. All right, let's set our pole.
Daddy.
It's okay, today walk, man. Don't you like my pink level? Yas. All right, so now we got the first pole in. We got a good level, packed down, super good. And so now we're gonna dig our second hole for our next 4x4. 2 foot into the ground, and we're gonna level it same way. Level it, get it good and straight, and then we're gonna get our chain set up. So it says no trespassing. Private property. Keep you hunters out unless you call me, and you can pay me. Let's go.
You can't let it go.
You got it.
Okay. I just gotta get it in. See, I had to flip it to move it.
There you go. Yeah, go a little bit down on it and use your hips. There you go. Drop. Good job. Good job, dude. Bottom outside.
And I'll move this end right here. You see? Then now do I move the end over here? See if it reaches. Ah, why would you do this?
Alright, dirt.
Get the dirt in there?
Yep.
Alright. Do I use this or do I use the shovel?
Grab my tape measure before it falls in. And move that chain. Alright, dirt.
A little bit.
Shovel.
Shovel version.
Yeah, you want to do it. Why he's out here.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, go around and do it all the way around. Put a little bit. Always stay behind the shovel. Don't do that.
Okay.
No, you're the right way, buddy. Okay, someone on the side. Yeah.
You gotta move it around while I'm falling in. So then I'm asking on the
Come
dirt.
over here on this side. Oh, on this side. Put it right here. Yep. Plenty dirt over there.
I got a heck of dirt over there.
Yep.
So I go right here.
Yep.
My phone. Promote the TikTok right there. And it's easy. I don't want to promote it. So you can check it out. Just so get some more followers. That works smart, not hard, right?
That's it.
That means like you just gotta promote your TikTok. Wait, don't just like non-stop promote your TikTok because they'll just be like, okay, we get it. They'll get annoyed. And then they wouldn't want to promote your YouTube. They don't want to follow your TikTok no more.
All right, guys, so I got both of my posts up. If you can see, I got both of my posts up. Now, I got this chain. So I'm going to install this chain with some, I got these lag bolts that it was made to hook chains. And so this made it go, it screws in and then you hook your chain on there. And it's going to say no trespassing private properties. Hopefully that keeps some people out. No, because I got to put it in here like this.
This is called the drill, right? Where's the drill?
All right, I'm gonna need both hands. Hold on, guys.
Okay.
All right, so I had to use both hands to get it started. Hopefully this. All right. Oh, it's going in there real good. Yeah.
I don't even feel it. I don't even do it.
Oh, excuse me. Sorry, dudes. There we go. There we go. I think that's good. Hold on.
I just spit on this one.
Thank you.
You're welcome, sir. Can I do these on? I want to. Please. Please, so please. Why am I getting flipped off while you're doing that? Can I do the other one? Please.
Let me get the first two, yeah.
Alright. Are you trying to do an ASMR? Okay. Are you trying to do an ASMR, Uncle? Because you are. You're doing good. Okay. Oh, there it goes. Just slide in. So, that's a bag, leave it straight. Go to west. In there.
Well, that's it, buddy. Thank you.
I just need this. Did that tripod fall in the mud or something?
Perfect.
Brothers.
Oh yeah. All right, so dude, we got our somewhat of a gate up. We got our post up. We got a no trespassing, so they should be able to see that. What do you think? Just so it's a beautiful view from right here. The sun is all good and bright and shiny. So yeah, so we got everything up to kind of keep people, poachers or hunters and stuff out, because I don't want them propping, because we are in the middle of nowhere, so I don't want them just parking here and try to hunt and have to come out here, and they got a whole campsite set up, and then I just don't want no confrontation. So at least they know if they drop past, they know. So we got that up. So next we got a big project coming, guys. I just talked to some tree people and it's the owner of this tree business. If I get to know his information, I'll link it below. If you don't see nothing below, then he wants to keep his stuff private. But there's a company that's going to come out here and help me out. They do me a big favor. I'm letting them have all my pine trees on the property, and they're going to come and clear the whole place for me, all 6 acres of it. And so it's a win-win, right? It's a win-win. I get the most of the property, but they're going to keep all the ones going across the property line on both sides. They're going to keep those, and the ones that go along the left and the right side of the driveway. They're going to keep those. So, which is cool. So, but yeah, welcome to another episode of Living Lucky Off Grid. This is Marcus, and we'll see you in the next one, guys. Thanks for coming hanging out with ya, boy.